Hi everybody. Hi everybody. I'm just doing a video down the line. All right, so what you're looking at right now is the line to get into MHC on Saturday morning. Everybody was registered pretty quickly and scanned in. This is just before the show was open, and I was super impressed with the amount of people coming in. As far as MHCs go, it's the best one I remember in a long time. They say that the show numbers doubled. They doubled the number of vendors and the number of participants. I'd believe that from the show floor because there was a lot of folks there. Still Beast booth did pretty well. I'm happy with that. A lot of our friends did well. Cobwebs and Candlesticks was there. Monsters Alive was there. There's a lot of really good vendors who were there, and talking to them, Pumpkin Pulp, they all had a good show. So really excited about this year's MHC. Gets me excited to go back. Always fun to visit Chicago. Always fun to visit MHC. There's a Chicago acting style that is amazing. I did the pre-haunt tours, the pre-show tours, so we were able to see a lot of good shows, and they were remarkable and inspiring. So you might see some projects coming up from some things that I was inspired by while I was at these shows. They had a lot of really cool things on the stage. I got to judge the costume contest at the ball, and Shannon got to judge the costume contest on the show floor, the Chad Savage contest. Both of those were a good time with really awesome costumes. MHC always delivers on good costumes and good actors and character. MHC was amazing this year. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. You look awesome.
Hi, Alan.
Hey. Good morning.
Make stuff.
That's right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're the end of the line. If you haven't made it to any of these trade shows, you probably have some kind of a haunted house convention within 4 or 5 hours of you. Go. It's really cool to be in the same room with thousands of people who love the same things that you do. Go make stuff, everybody.
Recipients for the year 2022, and have this many past recipients to welcome them. nervous here, are you?
Instead of a Patreon shout out, I'm going to do a shout out to all the awesome people who came up and took a picture with me or said hello to me while I was at MHC. Again, it was a great time. It was great to see you guys and connect in person and to put a face to the people who comment on videos on YouTube and as well as who are Patreon supporters. You guys are awesome and amazing. Go make stuff.